If you're like me, then you're certainly looking forward to the long weekend. And no matter what you've got planned, whether it's heading to the beach, working around the house, or just vegging out, I bet somewhere in those plans is some kind of barbecue or meal that is 4th of July special. And no matter if you're having ribs or chicken or hot dogs, nothing goes better with them than old-fashioned coleslaw. Let me show you how easy. We start off one of two ways, either by shredding a head of cabbage and grating some carrots, or the shortcut way, by simply using a bag of coleslaw mix. Once that's ready, we mix some mayo along with a healthy splash of apple cider vinegar, a bit of sugar, and a little salt and pepper. Now, we toss the dressing with the cabbage. I actually like to use my hands for this, and I sort of squeeze the cabbage, especially if it's hand cut. Don't ask me why, it just seems to taste better. And although this is so simple, it's all about having the right balance between the tartness of the vinegar and the sweetness of the sugar. So don't dilly-dally, go online right after the news and get the recipe for our 2-minute slaw, so you'll have plenty of time to celebrate our nation's independence. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found an all-American way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.